Ah! Kain. Hi, Yuthi. Look! I cooked tofu. It's yummy. No, not yet. Haven't. Yeah. This my... See? Looks nice. My tofu looks nice. What did you draw, Yuthi? I remember you telling it would be nice if you did see it. It's because I don't use TikTok much, so I will forget it. I don't want to ruin the surprise. Okay. Mmm, yummy. Oh, thanks for sharing the live. It's an eating stream. Mmm. Yeah, there will be many people who will be using this model in the future. I was just one of the people that got it earlier. So much food but so little rice. It's cause we're old now. We need to take care of our body. Mmm. So yummy. This is tofu, by the way. Food is life. Hi, Vane. Nice name. I like it. Eat more. This is tofu. Tofu is life. Maybe I could send it to you. Sure. In TikTok? Yeah, sure. That would be appreciated, Yuzi. Because I forget things. Thank you. Well, now you're hungry. See? What do you think this is? So yummy. You won't believe it, but it's tofu! This is tofu. I thought it was chicken at first. Kasi diba, it looks so yummy. Ivane sent Rose. Thank you so much, Ivane. But it looks good. It does. Tofu's like chicken. You can't seem to send it? Why? So looks delicious. I'll write it down, Yuthi, so that I will try to remember it. Check Yuthi. Yuthi post. Ate, payag ka? Kung maaksidente, kunwari, kado di battery ka na... Ano? Kunwari, kung maaksidente, kunwari kaso di battery ka na ever ready. Good! I can recharge pag nabuhay. She's bragging me with her tofu, guys. Coat tofu with breadcrumbs. You got chicken laffled my cousin once. This is tofu. You know the tofu block? I pinched it. I teared it off. And then I covered it with cornstarch. And then I put what you call it? After I deep fry it, I put glaze with sesame oil, soy sauce, vinegar, honey. It's yummy. Oh, tofu! Hey, tofu! I'm eating tofu! I heard someone call me. Are you also drinking water? I also drink water. I'm human. Even though I'm a witch, I'm also human. I put them, then I put oyster sauce. I did not put oyster sauce. Now's your story. What time will we do story time? We'll do story time at 7:30 p.m. I wanna start doing crochet but don't know what project to do first. Can you recommend me one? You do easy crochet stuff. I make keychains. If you can finish it fast, then you will feel accomplished and then you will want to make more. Hi, Johan. Where's your water? I don't see. Here's my water. So you can make like small stuffed toys. Yeah, or flowers. Those are easy. Yum yum food. Yeah. Tofu. I'm just here to flex my tofu in chat. Okay, few. Love the crochet products. Thank you, Alpam. A dinosaur. I made dinosaur before. I think I found an easy crochet pattern, but I don't know where it is now, so I have to find it first. So yummy. No more rice. I will papak. Make a cube, no design, just cube. I'll try to find that. Because I also like making dinosaurs, but the ones are really hard. You need to sew on the tail, the feet, but that's too hard for me. Add more rice la. No rice. We are Asian, we are fake Southeast Asian people. ASMR Marhaya. Mukbang. Ano yan? Hulaan nyo. This is tofu. Sobrang sarap. Tofu to. Dinosaur. Eating dinosaur on stream? What? Do you have any tips for teaching beginners crochet? Tips is to just have one to make a project agad. Gawa ka kaagad ng project. Alam nyo, natutuwa ako mag-crochet kasi ang project ko nun, I wanted to make something, yung parang gloves na may holes sa fingers. Na glove siya. Yun yung una-una kong ginawa. Biruin yung ang hirap-hirap nun. So, dun ako natuto. Basta, gawa ka ng project na gusto mo. Tapos, gagawin mo kasi siya dahil gusto mo siyang magawa. Parang ganun. Oh, to try and try until you die. Ganun. What do you mean no rice? We Asian, we eat more rice. Hand warmers. Yeah, hand warmers. Tofu adobo. No, it's tofu. I guess it's kind of like adobo, but it has honey. Soy sauce, vinegar, honey, sesame oil, sesame seeds. So yummy. Tinola ba yan? Anong tinola? May toyo ba tinola? That could be adobo, not gonna lie. Good hands. Thanks. This is my dinner. So yummy. Yo! Nilming. I'm here. I'm just... No, it's not ginger. You think I will eat ginger? What the? This is tofu, okay? Hello, Bastap. What does tofu taste like? This one tastes like heaven. It tastes comforting. It's not. The sauce is what makes it. The tofu taste. There's no tofu taste because I deep fried it. Raw ginger. Tofu best. Yes. Takting tawa yan. Tastes nothing but sauce helps. Yeah. The texture is really nice. It's like you're eating meat. I deep fried it so the outside is crispy and then the inside is chewy. And then I put glaze so it tastes yummy. Bago ka lang po nag-live. Yes, 10 minutes pa lang. Thanks for the idea. Gonna fry ginger with tofu. But I'll eat tofu. They eat ginger. So evil. Ano po yan? Tofu. Takopi. Gutom na ako. Hindi to loya. Tofu to. Ikaw po nagluto niyan. Oo. Ako nagluto nito. Magaling kasi ako magluto. Pag ako nagluto, masarap. Takopi. I just found my mom's toy and hey gamers, it's fine. You can give it back to her. Okay? Tao po yan. Paano kung sabihin kong oo? Yummers. There's the microphone. Kailan storytelling? Mamaya pa 7:30. Ngayon kumakain lang ako. Aso daw. Eat well. Salamat, Sebastian. Nasarap mo talaga. Good for you rin, Chan. Anong aso? Tanda ko pa pagkain ito noong panahon ko. Emilio Aguinaldo. May tofu na dati. Meron ba kayong sesame oil? Naangkat na ba ng Pilipinas ang sesame oil mula sa Japan? Nung tao yan, pwede payangaw. Pwede payangaw. Yes, sir. Sarap. Mga hindi pa nagdi-dinner dyan, sign nyo na to para kumain ng dinner. Maiinggit kayo. Just Bonifacio at Jose Rizal. Ang damot mo. Sarap po. 2 piraso na lang. Bibigay ko sa inyo to. Akin itong malaki. Knitting dinner na po. No. Chocolate? Hindi to chocolate. Mukha ba tong chocolate? May sesame seeds na chocolate. Gutom ako eh. Please be like. Hating kapatid. Hating kapatid. Kasi, mas matanda ako. 89 na ako. Kayo, mga ano pa lang kayo. Below 30. Kaya, sa akin yung mas malaki. Hindi to dinuguan. Bakit ayaw mo ipakita ang rice? Inubos ko na yung rice kanina pa. Konti lang kasi rice. Rinchan, that's great. Banana Q? Ang banana Q? Happy birthday, James. Kaon, makaon tabi kita. Face reveal. Hindi pa ba sapat yung mukha ko dyan sa taas? What in the Pinoy voice dub? What in the Pinoy voice dub? What are you talking about, Rinchan?
Anong sinasabi mo, Rinchan? Ang dami mo na naman kasing naririnig sa utak mo. Marami ka atang boses sa utak mo. Pero gusto ko maging isa doon. Biruin mo kapag maliligo ka, may magsasabi sa'yo, Rinchan, ang sarap ko kumain. Ang sarap ko magluto. Mali, sorry. Oh my gosh, kung ano na pinagsasabi ko. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry po. You perceive nothing. Do I sound like Pinoy dub on movies? Hey, yo.
Anong gentle dyan?
Or something. Hindi ko alam. Okay. Crafting time. Tapos na, inom wala mo na ng tubig. Dry? Ano sabi mo? Drag on these nuts! Wala na, na-trauma na ako.
Oh, Doraemon, meron dito ang pangalan niya Snappy. Na-trauma na daw siya. Bigyan mo nga siya dyan ng gadget. Meron ka ba dyang pampalis ng trauma? Siguro yung tsinelas o kaya hanger o kaya belt. Meron ka ba dyan? Naku, Nobita! Belt, ginamit na yun ng tatay mo. Yung tsinelas, ginamit naman ng nanay mo. Yung hanger, sige, may hanger pa ako dito.
Okay. Hanger it is snappy. Hello, Marhaya Crochets. Wow, wow, wow. Ano palang ginagawa ko? Hindi pala ako mag-crochet. Fake crochet. Mag-ano ko assemble. Hindi. Kailangan ko ng this one. Wala na. Trauma na ako. Wala wash hands. No washing hands. Inano ko lang, tinabi ko lang sa tabi yung ano ko, yung bowl. Wait, ano bang ginagawa ko ngayon? Mag-aano pala tayo? Mag-assemble. Paano ba mag-assemble? Nakalimutan ko na. Kailangan ko mang kapakapain muna. Bus stop, send heart me. Thank you so much, bus stop. Gawa ka, Spider Lily. Please, 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 please. We'll see. Parang trip ko rin yan eh. Kasi nakakita na ako yun. Kaso, titignan ko muna kung madali yung ano. Kung madali yung pattern. Kasi kung mahirap yung pattern na yan, siguro aabutin ako yun ng 5 months. Kasi tinatamad lang ako. Magpo-procrastinate lang ako. Hello, Ramos! Okay. Ganyan ginagawa natin. Tapos, ipasok. Oh! On stream! Yan. Tapos, buhulin. Ganyan lang yung gagawin natin. Marhaya Craft sa mad version. Kailangan kong mag-ipon ng maraming ganito, maraming ganyan. Ganito yung ginagawa ko, okay? Kailangan kong maraming ganito kasi magbebenta ako sa Teacher's Day. At yung Teacher's Day, October 3. So, wish me luck, guys. Sana may mabenta tayo. Wait lang. Yung ating ano. Yung ating unan. Dati pang tamad. Hi, ate. Hi, Woshi. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a good night. See you, Mr. Saturn. Enjoy your night doing adult things. Wa. Hey, Auntie Marhaya. Hey, Johan. Nag-job interview ka kanina po? Ako? Ako nag-job interview ako. Nakapasa ako! Meron akong ano. Pero hindi pa yun tapos. Mag-aano pa ako may kasunod pa. Initial interview pa lang. Ate Marhaya, binaha kami kahapon hanggang leeg. Suspended class namin, we? Hanggang leeg? Ibig sabihin, ano ka, 4 feet. Joke lang. I mean, saan lugar yan? Ba't kayo binaha hanggang leeg? How will you doing Baymax? No, I'm making this one. Tawa mo talaga. Anong tawa ko? And I'm making tulips. I'm gonna give this to your mom. There. Sana all. Hola, buenos dias, de Almoranas. Okay, Zelio. I will curse you with Almoranas. Joke lang. Yay, congrats po. La. Para no perfect. Ito yung Jollibee. Ano Jollibee? Yung friend ko kanina nagpapainggit may Jollibee siya. Ang order niya ay isang 1-piece chicken at isa pang 1-piece chicken at isang tuna pie at saka isang macaroni soup. Sabi ko, konti na yan sa lagay na yan. Guess you forgot our poll last week? I forgot! What happened? Dubious Java. Hindi mo na ginagawa yung mayonnaise na may kanin. Ha? Nagawa ko na yun, naubos ko na yun. Goofy ala. 5'4" ako, ganyan na ba talaga ako kaliit? Nothing beats a jet to a holiday. From Mama to Almoranas. Rose crochet a rose just to get attention na handsome teacher. What? You want to crochet a rose for your handsome teacher? They deserve it. You deserve better. SDV Haley's Berber. Sent Bibingka. ×1. Thank you so much, Haley's Berber. Yay, Bibingka! Salamat! Ang cute, binibenta mo ba yan? My art is priceless. It cannot be bought by money. For all that I know, my art precedes all of your ambitions, all of your material things. My art is beyond what you can afford. I'm sorry. Gusto ko na naman sabihin, tawag doon. Gusto ko na naman sabihin, mga 1.5 kidney happy streaming. Kulit mo tonight kayo ni Salamat, Haley. Ata ako, hyper ata ngayon eh. You promised to do our Jollibee and Baymax? What? Did I promise? Are we in the same stream? Ate, ulam? Kakakain ko lang kanina ng tofu. Sayang na-miss nyo kumakain ako on stream. Bibingka. Yes. I have a lot of hobbies. Yeah. Do ara-ara. What do you mean? I don't take requests. I do what I want to do. I will do this for you, Zelio.
Hi, I'm Timon. Ara.
Napindot. Haley's Verver sent ice cream ×1. Thank you so much, Haley's Verver. Bus Stop sent rose ×5. Thank you so much, Bus Stop. Marhaya, are you calling us broke? Read this. I have the one and only 24-carat Labubu. Labubu. May accent ka? Mukha ba ako may accent? I am fluent in Filipino. I live in the second floor. Last week, you told us you promised us to make a sculpture of them. What? I did not! So many roses. Did I? Can you make me a dinosaur? I'll just write it down because I wanted to make a dinosaur, but I'm not gonna make one for Yuti. I just want to make one for myself. Dinosaur. Jollibee! Why will I make Jollibee? I want to make Baymax though, so I will write Baymax. Paimon is...
I'm not an emergency food traveler. Paimon is your friend.
Eggs!
Tigas ng pipino mo. I mean, dinosaur is a dinosaur. Dami really forgot the poll. I don't have a poll. I don't have a poll. I don't know how to make polls. I'm old. Jollibee. Yeah, maybe it's a different one. Oh my gosh. They're gaslighting you. Am I too forgetful? Ate Marhaya, ni tips paano patuyuin yung mga gamit na nag-under the sea. Ganito yan. First, get high heels para hanggang dibdib mo na lang yung yung tubig. And then second, get more high heels for your other gamit para matangkad rin sila. Ala, hindi ko alam. Actually, dati nung nag-leak yung dito sa bahay and then nabasa yung yung notebook ko, grabe iyak ako lang ng iyak noon. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Pero wala, papatuyuin mo lang talaga sila. Tapos iingatan na lang na sa susunod yung mga pinaka-importante, di mababasa at all. Ganun, sobrang taas na lang sila. Is that one stream where you made Mimikyu? Okay, Johan, I never made a Mimikyu, okay? So, maybe you're talking about a different person. Yeah, I never made that. What's a Mimikyu? I don't even know what that is. Kaya mo po ba gumawa ng pagong? Look, I made this. But this is from clay. Hello, Ace. Rest in peace. Yung laptop ng kaboard ko, kailangan pa i-dive para makuha. Oh no! Oh no! That's harsh. Oh no. Electronics na yan. Mahirap na yan. Oh, Johan! That means it's a different person, okay? I'm not that I don't have... It's a different person. Maybe it's not more high crafts, but it's it's the same model, okay?
Haha, ang cute. Hi, Kylie!
Cute a turtle. Mimikyu is a Pokemon that hates Pikachu. What? Can you make a gothic ethereal out of yarn, like the entire thing from the ground up? No, I can't. I'm the only more higher craft side. I'm the only. But I never made a Mimikyu. What's a Mimikyu anyways? Si Potato something gumawa ng Mimikyu gamit clay. Like the Tapashi, the artists take their entire lives. No, I procrastinate. I don't take big projects. It will take me my whole lifetime to even make something like that. I will just procrastinate. Gaslight final boss. Same niche. Hornet from Hollow Knight. No, I don't play Hollow Knight. Pagkamalan ka ata. Gaslight final boss. Same niche. There. It doesn't look as good, but it somehow looks okay. And then we turn on this one. Okay. What else are we gonna do next? There. Kain po dinner. Kain BLJC. I ate. What did I eat? I was eating on stream kanina. I was eating tofu. Deep fried tofu. Coated with cornstarch. Tapos, glazed with soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, vinegar, sesame oil, sesame seeds. Super yummy. Hitory sent rose. Thank you so much, Hitory. Hitory sent rose ×2. Thank you so much, Hitory. Hello, it's you again. It's me. My ear. It's me. Your worst nightmare, Kira. I've met you again. Hi, me. Hi, Zach. Good evening. Daming sauce. It's yummy. What do you mean? I made small keychains. See? I made the keychains that are donuts. See, this is ano. Wait, it's not focusing. It is a donut with a bite. There. Napaka-romance. You are the correct Mahaya. What are you talking about? Who's calling me? I don't have sore eyes. Nobody called me that. I'm not hallucinating. So cute and avatar. Para siyang yung pusa na may rainbow trail. Wait, what am I doing again? I forgot. Okay. There were 2 more keychains. Yeah. See? I have my egg here. Oh, there's my eggs. I have 3 eggs at the back. Right? aka Kaching 2.0. The eggs! Do I take song requests? No. I sing if what I want to sing. Runny yellow eggs. This one? It's not runny. Oh. Why isn't it focusing? Ayan. It's hard. Literally. Gawa ka earrings, Ate Marhay. Itlog na earrings. I will make pancake earrings. I have pancakes here. And I will make them into earrings. Don't you remember people saying, why is Mimikyu covered in glue? No, I don't remember that, Johan. Because I was drawing it. What even is Mimikyu? No, there's nothing like that. Ano nangyari dun sa clay making mo, May? Di ko natapos panoorin. Nakakaiyak. Yan o, ito yung ginawa ko last time, oh. Bye, lakas ulan dito. See you, bus stop. Thanks for tuning in. The only thing that looks like a Pokemon that I made is this one. Mukha daw siya si Squirtle. Yan. Bus stop Centros times 4. Thank you so much, bus stop. Hi, Gappy! Andiyan na naman pancake niya. Pancake na parang cardboard. Meron tayo ditong basher. Basher ng pancake. Search it up. It's an Alolan Pokemon that hits Pikachu. Nakakaiyak nga, grabe. Oy, tinatawanan nyo ba? Oh! May sungay siya. Mukha namang maayos dahil may sungay. Ito yung likod niya, oh. Tapos may mga ano-ano siya. Udat. Baka puyat lang. There. May Down syndrome ba? Hoy! Ganda ng flower. Sampagita ba yan? Sampagitang pula. Is that Asgore Undertale? No. It's a random thing that I made. Croissants na hairpin. Oh, I want! I have some croissant here. Can't believe forgot me and Oguri Cap, including the others from last week's poll. Johan, I never made a poll. I don't know how to make a poll. I think you confused me with someone else. You confused me with someone else. Talaga. Croissant. Wala Down syndrome, wala Down syndrome. Up syndrome yan. Hey, hello, evil. Croissant. Croissant. And, auntie, well, most people here call me Lola. And yeah, there's no Sakura flowers. I call you mom. Oh no! Something's wrong! I forgot to glue it! Is this, should I be censoring this? It's moving. Wait. Lola, I can't wait for 7:30. What time is it? Oh my gosh. Sabi ko nga pala 7:30 ako mag-aano. I called you Tita Marhaya. Yan. Sabi ko pala 7:30 ako mag-storytelling. I forgot. Kailangan ko magmadali. No, you started it again. What? Sauce. Kakarating ko lang may problema na agad. Grabe na. Ano? May ginagawa ba ako? Wala akong ginagawang masama. Mission failed successful. See? There's no defending her. Pag maghanap na lang kayo ng pang-sensor. Those are plenty. I think I can count 6 or 7. I think I'm just gonna make 2. Wala kang ginawang masama kasi wala kang ginagawa. Wala nga akong ginagawa. That would be nice if it had essence or scent of a tulip. Wow! Okay, I will remember that. I will put some perfume. Okay, so that's what 6 or 7 meant? 6 or 7 inches? Not last week, somewhere in September too. Well, I'm gonna upload my videos, my VODs in YouTube. So, if you guys want to check it out, you can check out para makita nyo yung mga pinagagawa ko mga last live. Kaso hindi ko pa siya na-upload lahat. Do you like mangoes? I like mangoes. I want to eat mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice is nice. So this is what I do here. I make buhol. What is my YouTube name? It's the same, Marhaya Crafts. Is your YT channel the same username? Yeah. There. And then ASMR po ate saglit. Ano ay kay ASMR? Hello from Ukraine. Hello Shadow Valek. Do I read novels? Of course I read novels. I read brotherly love novels. See? That's what BL means. Brotherly love. Okay? Yeah. So if you want some brotherly love novel recommendations, I can give you some. Should have expected it. Not boys love? What do you mean, boys love? Brotherly bros love each other and they touch each other's hands because of their brotherly friendship, right? Stop sorting it. Mango medium heat pan. Add peach, sugar, and water. Mango pie, yummy. I made apple pies and mango pies using expired bread before. And then, yeah. I deep fried it. Brotherly love. No S. Kaya pala craft pinangalan mo kasi may... Kaya pala craft pinangalan mo kasi may binubuo ka sa ating dalawa.
Naku, Krolo. Paano mo naman nasabi na may hawak na akong glue gun at tinatapat ko sa'yo? At mainit to. At mapapaso ka. Pero ididikit ko pa rin to sa'yo. Payag ka nun?
No context be like. Huwag mo. Ha? Huwag mo paputukan. Oh, Ramoj pala yung nag-comment sa lahat ng YT videos ko. Thank you so much. Iba kasing pangalan mo dun eh. So sabi ko, sino to? Use bread, evaporated milk, and then egg blend it up. Then microwave it for 5 minutes. It tastes like leche flan. What? Now I want to try that. That sounds yummy. Hell no. Huy! It's already done. I subscribed. Thank you so much for subscribing. 4 to 5 minutes. That sounds so yummy. Thank you for subscribing, Kira. Go a DC server. No, I can't make a Discord server. It's gonna be unmoderated as hell. Because I don't have someone who can moderate it. It's gonna be unmoderated. I don't want that. That's not an environment that I want to to have. I'd always want a safe space for everyone. Especially in my streams. And an unmoderated Discord server is the least that could bring that. Kaya pala gusto nila magsapakan. Magsapakan sa lips. Where there's no helping if you forgot the poll. Sama continue just watching the live. Tignan profile. Oo nga, same nga ng profile picture. Wala akong server. Oy, no! Wala akong pagkakatiwalaan. Told you la, food is life. Food is life for me too. May video na po nung story time last time. I'm sorry, oatmeal. I said I will make, but the thing is, medyo matatagalan kasi I'm forgetful. Or cube. No, I don't make cube. I can moderate. No. How much magpa-crochet? Priceless. Joke lang. You can check out my Facebook page for the prizes. Maybe when you're rich, you can make Discord. Yes, when I'm rich, I'm active and also can make bots. No Alpha, no cube. Are the Graham balls finished? What? Graham balls have been finished for 5 years already. Eggs. Real, don't trust strangers. I'll make bots so if they say something bite, they might get banned. Okay, I'll wait. Thank you. The point. More eggs. My eggs. Where's my other egg? Discord server would be nice. I'm very strict. Yeah. And, if I will, siguro, in 5 years, gagawa ako ng Discord server. What Ramoj said, if I'm rich, I can afford to hire someone. You can use auto mode, then put specific words. Yeah, I guess. But what are we even gonna do there? But 5 years pa. Cause, ganon. Tsaka, kasi, wala ako talaga schedule rin sa diba, sa pag-stream. So, what's the use of a Discord server for now? Diba? Hindi ko rin siya magagamit rin. Kasi, di man ako magaan. What if now na? Baka kasi kung may Discord si ma'am, baka puno ng eggs balls. I can wait. Why would you need to hire one kung pwede ka lang magpatulong lang? No, it's cause pwede naman, but it would be someone that I know and I trust. Kasi, pero I don't know. We'll see. Tingnan na lang natin. I can help with making the Discord server. Why hire one? I mean, moderating it. Moderating. You can do albums update when you are live and chat. I see. Oy, Graham Ball. Wala nga akong Graham Ball. Nakain na namin yun. We broke Yoshi's heart. Ano to? Nagtatahi lang ako. You can also use it to update your YT. The Yoshi is sad now. Sige, pag-iisipan ko ang Discord server, okay?
Ay, wait lang. Serene Itsuka sent, I love you so much. Thank you so much, Serene Itsuka.
Ay, nagkamali ako. Nabalik yung tinatahi ko. Where's the penguin? I kept asking for him. I lost it! I can't find it. I can't even find the cat too. Yay. Sa'yo ba yung Live 2D customized? No, it's not customized. There are many other VTubers who use this model because it's free. Yeah, I can't find it in the cat as well, the Highlander cat. The Graham balls. That was 2 weeks ago. Nakain na namin yung Graham balls. I will follow you, Beshi. Salamat, Ashley. Make a crochet Graham ball. I'm gonna find it. I haven't cleaned up my room yet. Ganyan tayo. Oh my gosh, ayaw mapasok! Yan. Pag napasok. How do I read your name? The Korean one with exclamation point. How is it read? Yeah, funny enough, I actually saw a similar avatar just earlier. Yeah. I have another VTuber model. Do you guys want to see it? Kaya nga, ang dami ko nakikitang. Yo, it's tight! Yes, it's tight! Did I eat the penguin? No, I didn't eat it. Graham and mango, yes. Okay, I'll show you guys the other model. But this one is commercial too, so it's not, even if I use it, it's paid. This one is paid, but where is it? Forgot the name. This one. Bear pajama. Something's wrong. Yung mata. Pero ano, okay na yun. Ano, okay? Hindi! I'm just showing off this thing. Okay? Yeah. Hello. So this is another model. Yeah. So if nagsawa na ako. Wait lang, hanapin natin. Nasaan na yung ano? Hindi, I'm just showing off this one. She ain't looking at the whole map anymore. Yung mata. Okay, we're back. Not gonna be looting the whole map. Oops, wait. I need to remove my hat. There. The witch hat. Yeah. May iba ka na pala, te. With hat? Sige na nga. Hat enjoyers. I don't discriminate. I don't kink shame hat enjoyers. Big hat. Yeah. By the way, you can landscape me so you can see the hat bigger. So, sobrang cute na screenshot ko pa. Anong kink, ha? What do you mean you don't have kinks? Hat kinks. O, bigla na transform. Oops. Oh my gosh, what the? Mr. Cadenver sent ice cream. Cone sent heart me. Sent Gigi. Sent you're awesome. Sent love you so much. Sent music on stage. Sent fire. Sent TikTok. Sent bibingka. Sent ice cream cone. Thank you so much, Mr. Denver. And what's your name again? The one with Haru. Okay. Haru sent you're awesome. Haru sent heart me. Thank you so much, Haru. Mr. Fahrenheit sent heart me. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahrenheit. Hello, guys! Ano na nangyari? I like being... Ha? Nice kink, I guess. Hello again. Hello, Tota. Hello, Mr. Fahrenheit. Ano ulam? Kanina, naggawa akong tofu. It's yummy. Tofu deep fried. Happy birthday, Tota! I think my net is bugging. No, it's just me being nasty. I'm kidding. Not nasty. Tofu. I have orange moon, like that help. What orange moon? Do I have orange moon? Uh-oh. What's happening? Gotta go. See you, Dai! Thanks for tuning in. Tofu na dineliver galing kay Takumi Fujiwara. Sayang kanina, nung simula ng stream, I was eating it. Nagpapainggit ako sa mga taong napapadaan. I'm so evil. I'm an evil witch. It okay. My evilness. See ya, Haru. Thanks for tuning in. My evilness knows no bounds. As always, it's always food. Hi, Hannah! Wait, where's my Marhayo Crafts. Hello, Starboy! I'm going to, na pala? It's time for story na pala. Wait lang, tatapusin ko lang to. Wait lang. Boy, see you guys. Kakain ko lang kanina ng manok galing sa bonchon. Di ko pa yung natitikman. Di pa ako nakakatikim ng bonchon. Titikman ko yan someday. Bye, see you, Steve. Okay, story time. Wait, tapusin ko lang to. Tapos story time tayo. What story? Titignan ko pa. Siguro, yung kadugtong ng hating kapatid. Ay, edible. Izumi. Hello, Kalam. Marky? Hi. When are you ending stream? I'm gonna end stream after I finish reading the story. Which is in 30 minutes siguro. Marky. Oh, tama! Tama ako. What story? I'm gonna be reading a storybook. But I'll just finish this. I guess I'll read the, Have you guys heard the story Hating Kapatid? I already read it here, but who heard it before? What kind of yarn am I using? I'm using milk cotton yarn. Edible na yan. Oh, kain na! Naglalag tuloy yung stream ko. Yung bago di ko pa nasimulan. I'm the orange moon is keychain. May gutom Droppy ang mata ko. Not me. Okay. Meron na ba sa inyo nakarinig? Kasi, gusto ko basahin yung part 2. Pero kung hindi nyo pa pala naririnig yung part 1, babasahin ko yung part 1. Hello, Bibi Babaps! Bibi Babaps sent heart me. Thank you so much, Bibi Babaps. Hindi pa. Kumusta yung pagkain mo kanina? Sobrang sarap nung pagkain ko. Kumain ako tofu with sesame oil glaze, sesame oil, soy sauce, vinegar, honey, sesame seeds, super yummy. Pingi. With dumplings, walang dumplings. Ang dami ko pang dumplings. Hindi pa rin ubos yung dumplings ko. Pahingi. Naubos ko na. Pinapainggit ko nga sa mga napapadaan dito eh. Okay. We're gonna read now. Ito lang, dalawa lang yung nagawa ko today. Akin na lang. Okay, kuhanin ko lang yung storybook. Here. Hating kapatid, tsaka hati pa rin. Okay. Asan ng mga edible clay? Oh, ayan na binibigyan na kita. Kain na. Okay. Let's go and read Hating Kapatid. Sa Tagalog natin sila babasahin since we don't really have international viewers today. Hating Kapatid, kwento ni Riza Rivera Falgui at guhit ni Fran Alvarez. Okay. I'm gonna read, by the way, if you've heard this before, I'm gonna read it again because we're gonna read part 2. Today 2.
Sabay kaming umuwi ni Kuya, galing eskwela. Laging may masarap na meriendang naghihintay sa amin. Sa araw na ito, bibingkang bagong bili ni Nanay ang merienda. Ang sarap! Pagkahalik sa aming dalawa, pinaupo kami ni Nanay sa kusina.
Ikaw nang bahalang maghati ng pagkain.
Sabi niya kay Kuya.
At tandaan mo, hating kapatid.
Nakahati na sa 4 ang bibingka. 3 pirasong kinuha ni Kuya at ang natitiray sa akin na.
Mas malaki ako, kaya mas gutom ako. Kailangan mas marami sa akin.
Mas malaki nga siya sa akin kaya hindi na ako umalma.
No English na.
Minsan, nagprito si Nanay ng saging. Tinulungan ko siyang hatiin sa gitna ang 4 na saging na saba bago lutuin. May 8 piraso. Pagkalabas ni Nanay sa kusina, kumuha agad si Kuya ng 6.
Oh! Ating kapatid!
Ang sabi niya pa sa akin. Ganon din nung nag-uwi si Tatay ng paborito naming buko pie. Nung gumawa si Nanay ng cake. At nung ang merienda namin ay sandosenang maliit na puto. Kung may magbibigay sa amin ng 1 bundok ng candy, siguro 2, 3 lang ang makukuha ko. Buti pa ang kaklase kong si Dina. Wala siyang kapatid. Wala siyang kahati sa kahit ano. Kung gugustuhin niya, pwede siya kumain ng buong bibingka o kaya buko pie o kaya cake. Pero nung isang araw, walang pagkain si Dina. Nakalimutan niyang baon niya. Gusto mo ng kalahati ng sandwich ko? Tanong ko. Maingat kong hinati ang sandwich ko at ibinigay ko sa kanyang kalahati. Ang ingat mo maghati? Mukhang hating kapatid. Sabi ni Dina. Hindi pareho lang laki. Sagot ko. Hindi yata alam ni Dina ang ibig sabihin ng hating kapatid. Wala nga pala siyang kapatid. Inimbitahan ako ni Dina na minsan magpunta sa bahay nila. Wala akong kalaro sa amin. Sabi niya. Masaya kami naglalaro ng piko sa kanila. Pagdating ng tatay niya, may dala siyang mamon para kay Dina.
Sorry, hindi ko alam na may bisita ka, anak. Hati na lang kayo sa pasalubong ko.
Sabi ng tatay niya. Ikaw na maghati. Hating kapatid. Sabi ni Dina. Mukhang alam na niya kung anong ibig sabihin. Pero, paano kaya ang hating kapatid sa aming dalawa? Pareho lang ang edad namin at pareho ang tangkad. Mataba lang siya ng kaunti. Ayokong gawing hating kapatid. Sabi ko, magkaibigan tayo. Gawin na lang nating hating kaibigan. Napatawa si Dina. Hating kapatid? Hating kaibigan? Ano yun? Ganito na lang, hatiin mo yung mamon tapos pipiliin ko ang pirasong kukunin ko. Nanginginig ang mga kamay ko habang hinahati ang mamon sa 2. Tiningnan ni Dina ang 2 piraso. Mukhang pareho lang ang laki. Pareho lang palang hating kapatid at hating kaibigan. Sabi niya, dumating naman ang nanay ni Dina.
Nagmerienda na ba kayo?
Tanong nito habang inilalabas ang pasalubong niya. Sapin-sapin! Kailangan ko nang umuwi kaya binigyan niya ako ng isang maliit na bilao ng sapin-sapin. Wala pa si tatay pagdating ko sa bahay. Nagluluto naman si nanay. Mukhang gutom na si kuya dahil nakabantay na siya sa mesa. Inilagay ko sa gitna ang bigay saking sapin-sapin. Ito, kuya! Binigay ko sa kanyang isang piraso. Sabi ng kaibigan ko si Dina, ganito ang hating kapatid. Bumilog ang mata ni kuya at pagkatapos ay parang namulang kanyang mukha.
Tamang sinabi ng kaibigan mo. Ganyan ngang hating kapatid.
Imik niya. Lumitang boses niya. Pakiramdam ko, akong mas malaki at nakatatanda. Pero ngayon, siguro dapat hating pamilya tayo. Sabi ko, tinabi ko ang isang piraso. Para kay nanay to.
At isang piraso naman ay para kay tatay.
Dagdag ni kuya. Tuwang-tuwa ako dahil natikman naming lahat ang uwi kong sapin-sapin. Napasaya ko ang aking pamilya.
At dyan, nagtatapos ang hating kapatid, kwento ni Raisa Rivera Falgui at guhit ni Fran Alvarez.
Yay! Tawag doon. Kaya ako binasing hating kapatid kasi I'm gonna read hati pa rin. It's the second part of hating kapatid. So we are gonna read this next. Storytelling live podcast muna ang team. Para sa mga going to sleep. Yes, story time. No, English, I don't understand Tagalog. We'll do English for this one after because I already read this in English. We read it cutting siblings. Maraya na storytell. Aray ko po langgam nagpiprito. Yung todo nakakayak. Buti pa yung langgam may pasalubong. Di na liligo. Di na umaasa. Cute mo tumawa. Di ko narinig. I'm gonna read this one. The next one. Cut pa more. What the English of this one is cut pa more. Happy na siya. So funny. Okay. We'll read this in English later. Wait. Yeah. I'm going to cut some more. Cut 2. Anyways, later. Japanese next. Galing ng change voice mo. Thank you po. Okay, babasahin naman natin next one.
Hati pa rin, kwento ni Raisa Rivera Falgui at guhit ni Fran Alvarez.
Nagbago na si kuya pagdating sa paghahati ng pagkain. Hinihingi na lang niyang natirang pagkain sa plato ko. Pero pagdating sa laruan at gamit, hirap pa rin siya. Mahirap nga namang paghatian yung luto-lutuan at bisikleta ko. Paano nga ba paghatian ang mga gamit na hindi mahati-hati? Palagi kaming nagdo-drawing ni kuya ngayong bakasyon, kaya
Bakit nyo kailangan ng bagong pangkulay? Hindi na ba pwede ang mga ginamit nyo sa eskwela?
tanong ni nanay. Kulang-kulang na po kasi. Sagot ko.
At maliliit na rin po. Mas maliit pa kay liit.
Sabi ni kuya sabay tawa. Liit na ang tawag sa akin ni kuya ngayon. Gusto ko pa naman ang pangalan kong Lina. Dahil katunog ang pangalan ng best friend kong si Dina. Binilan kami ni nanay ng isang kahon ng mga pangkulay. Buti na lang madaling paghatian ng mga kulay. Tamang-tama naman at may paligsahan sa pagguhit sa barangay namin. Sumali kaming dalawa ni kuya. Magandang tanawin ng tema. Binigyan kami ng papel at pinaupo sa hiwalay na mesa. Hati pa rin kami sa mga pangkulay.
Ito.
Binigyan ako ni kuya ng mga pangkulay at dali-daling umupo sa mesa niya. Binilang ko ang mga pangkulay. Hating kapatid pa rin! Yan ang picture. Pero, nanlaki ang mga mata ko nang makita ang mga kulay. Natuwa ako sa unang 4. Bihirang gamitin ni kuyang mga kulay na to. Ito naman ang natitirang 4. Lahat ng mga pangit na kulay. Kulay nga ba to? Nasilip ko ang dinodrawing ni kuya. Yun palang pinakamagandang tanawin para sa kanya. Hindi ko maisip kung ano ang pwede kong iguhit gamit ang mga pangkulay na ibinigay niya sa akin. Hindi pwedeng bukid kasi wala akong luntian. O kaya'y hardin dahil wala nga akong luntian. Kuya, tapos ka na ba sa luntian? Tanong ko.
Hindi pa. Kinukulayan ko pa ang mga burol ko. Gamitin mo na lang ang mga binigay ko sa'yo.
Sagot ni kuya nang hindi man lang tumitingin sa akin. Kahit langit, hindi ko madrawing dahil wala akong bughaw. Nag-isip ako ng mabuti. Ang ganda! Sabi ni Dina na nakahabol sa panunood. Pero hindi mo ba kailangan ng ibang mga kulay? Kay kuyang ibang 8 eh. Bakit hindi mo hiramin yung iba? Gagamitin ba niya lahat ng sabay-sabay? Kaya kinulit ni Dina si kuya.
O sige, tapos na rin naman ako. Kinukulayan ko na lang langit.
Payag ni kuya. Pero biglang may nag-anunsyo.
Tapos na ang Tapos na ang contest. Ipasa na ang lahat ng obra.
Wala na akong magawa kung hindi sulat ng pangalan ko sa likod ng drawing ko at ipasa to. Inilagay ang mga drawing namin sa isang mahabang mesa. Hindi ko kilala kung sino ang nanalo ng pangatlo at pangalawang gantimpala. Abala ako sa pag-iisip kung saan nilalagay ang ginuhit ko nang biglang,
Ano?
sigaw ni kuya. Pinapunta ako ni nanay, tatay at Dina sa harap. Ikaw ang nanalo ng unang gantimpala, Lina. Dali! Kunin mo ang premyo mo! Gulat kong kinuha ang aking premyo. Pabulong akong nagpasalamat habang pinapalakpakan ng mga tao. Galing kina nanay, tatay at Dina ang pinakamalakas na palakpak. Pero nasan si kuya? Nasa harap ng iginuhit ko si kuya. Nanlaki ang mga mata niya habang tinitignan ang gawa ko.
Ang galing mo talagang mag-drawing.
Bati ni kuya. Salamat kuya. Sugot ko habang binubuksan ang premyo ko. Isang kahong may napakaraming pintura, lapis at pangkulay.
Buti na lang inatian kita ng mga pangkulay. Dapat hati tayo sa premyo.
Sabi ni kuya nang may bungis-ngis. O sige, ito. Inabot ko sa kanyang mga pangkulay.
Biro lang, okay na ako dito sa lumang kahon natin.
Syempre, hati pa rin tayo. Sabi ko. Pwede rin ba akong makihati? Sabat ni Dina. Mahigpit kong niyakap si Dina abang tanga ng aking premyo. Humuwi na tayo at marami pa tayong iguguhit.
At dyan, nagtatapos ang hati pa rin kwento ni Raisa Rivera Falcui at guhit ni Fran Alvarez. Ang ganda! Ngayon ko lang ito nabasa. Ang ganda. I'll read this in English after. How do you like it, guys? Tapos na agad di ko naabutan. I'm gonna read it in English again. Still cut. Ending stream. I'll be ending it after I finish reading this. After I finish reading it in English. Hello, Krolo. Tig-isa sila ng gulong. Langaw nagbabike. Papaldo sa voice acting. Kayo ba nagdub sa kwentong Bambata? Lina. Linalaro ka lang niya. Story time. Mas malaki pa sa kanya ang kulay. The humble knight has arrived. Hello, Isamu. I'm gonna be ending stream after I read this in English. Familiar boses ko. Wala nga niluntian. Buti pa ako, mabuting kuya. Hello, Harneko. Buti wala akong kuya. Teacher Marhayo, ba't ayaw niya? Nanalo din. Rigged competition. Oy, ang galing kasi. Di ba? Parang, ayan o, yung ano niya, it's, yung colors kasi, it's not the usual colors that you, nakyati pa si Nina. Na-visit yung langgam. Cute ng voice ko. Thank you! Ayan. I'm gonna read that in English naman. Did you guys like it? I liked it. Natuwa ako. Ang ganda nung ang galing nung story. Parang yung yung blessing in disguise na yan kasi parang tawag dun. I mean, parang lang. Parang the kuya got what was waiting for him. Parang ganun. Same, I like it too. Okay, let's read it in English. Kasi meron dito mga Englishero. So, tuwa kami sa Switch Voice. Cut 2 more. Cutting more. How do we translate this? Let me. Share. Share again. Sharing again. Okay. Sharing again. A story by Raisa Rivera Falcui and illustrations by Fran Alvarez. Keep sharing. Yeah. Keep on sharing. There.
Kuya's changed when it comes to sharing food with Kuya's changed when it comes to sharing food with me now. He just asks us if he can have my leftovers when I'm finished eating. But when it comes to toys and other stuff, he still has a hard time sharing. It's kind of hard to share my toy stove and bike. It's not like you can cut them in half. So, how do you share them? Kuya and I draw all the time now that it's our vacation, which is why...
Why do you need new crayons? Can't you just use the ones that you use for school?
Nanay asked. Some of those colors are missing now, I said.
And they're so small now. Littler than Liit.
Kuya said with a laugh. Liit is what Kuya always calls me now. Even though I love my name, Lina, because it rhymes with the name of my best friend, Dina. So, Nanay bought us 1 box of crayons. Good thing, crayons are easy to share. And there just happens to be a drawing contest in our barangay. Kuya and I both joined. The theme is scenic spots. We were given paper and made to sit at separate tables. We still had to share our one box of crayons.
Here.
Kuya gave me some crayons and quickly sat down on his table. I counted the crayons. Oh, good! He gave me an equal share. But my eyes widened when I saw the colors I got. I was very happy with the 4 of them. Kuya doesn't use these colors much. But here are the other 4. All the ugly colors. Are these really colors? I caught sight of Kuya's drawing. Oh, so that was what he thought was the most beautiful scenery. I can't think of what to draw using the colors he gave me. It can't be a grassy field because I don't have green. Or a garden because I just don't have green. Kuya, are you done with the green color? I asked.
Not yet. I'm still coloring my hills. Just use the ones that I gave you.
Answered Kuya without even looking at me. I can't even draw the sky since I don't have blue. I think and think and think. That's beautiful, said Dina, who had just gotten there in time to watch. But don't you need some other colors? Kuya's the other 8. Why don't you borrow some of them? Is he going to use them at the same time? She went to Kuya and bugged him.
Okay, I'm done already anyway. I'm just coloring the sky.
Kuya agreed. But just then, someone announced,
The contest is over. Please turn in your artworks.
there was nothing else I could do but write my name at the back. At the back of my drawing and turn it in, our drawings were all laid out on a long table. I don't know who won 3rd or 2nd place. I was busy thinking of where to put my drawing when
What?
Nanay, Kuya, Tatay, and Dina all sent me to the front. You won 1st place, Lina! You won 1st place, Lina! Hurry, get your prize! I went to get my prize in a daze. I whispered my thanks as the crowd clapped for me. The loudest claps came from Nanay, Tatay, and Dina. But where is Kuya? He was standing in front of my drawing. His eyes widened as he stared at my work.
You really are good at drawing.
Said Kuya. Thanks, Kuya, I said as I opened my prize, a box full of paints, pencils, and crayons.
Good thing I shared my crayons with you. We should share the prize.
Kuya said with a grin. Okay, here. I held out the crayons to him.
Just kidding. I'm okay with our old box of crayons.
We can still share, I said. Can I borrow some too? Dina chimed in. I hugged Dina tightly, still holding my prize. Let's go home. We still have a lot to draw, I told them.
And that is the end of Hati Pa Rin. Keep on sharing a story by Raisa Rivera Fukui, and illustrations by Fran Alvarez.
Yay! Mommy voice habang nagbabasa. Hindi! Mommy voice. Ano to bata yung nag-ano dito. Sana mapangkinggat ng friend ko to. Kumain kami sa Greenwich, pati yung dessert ko inubos, di nag-share. Grabe naman yung friend mo. Siguro yan, mahilig kumain. Or diet siguro. Kakatapos lang. Kakatapos lang. Good night, Mariah. Good night, PJ. Thanks for tuning in. No story time. It's story time. Yes. Ma'am, yes. Ang ganda ng lumalabas sa live feed ko for creative. Thank you. Yes, kakatapos lang. And then we're gonna end live in a bit. Pwede naman akong, tawag doon. Ay, hindi. Iniisip ko kasi. Pero kasi, ano ba? Pwede naman akong magbasa pa ng isang story, pero, Ma,
Paano kung may gusto makihati sa kanya? Paano yun? Hating kapatid pa rin po ba? Paano kung yung kapatid ko gusto rin siya?
ganito kasi yun. Punta kayo sa isang sterilized area, okay? And then, hanap kayo ng dissecting tools. So, pwede naman sigurong hatiin. Dapat equal lang yung one side and another side. Para pag hinati nyo siya, talagang hating kapatid. Tapos, pili na lang kayo. Ano yung side na gusto nyo? Yung left ba? O yung right side? So, kaya naman, Nez. Kaya naman sigurong hatiin siya. Pag hinati po, babuo pa rin. Kasi ganito yun. Yung pagkakahati sa kanya, buo pa rin siya. So, dalawang buo yun. So, 2 holes make 1 hole. Yeah. Akala ko po pag hating kapatid ko yung kapatid ko. Ano pong gagawin ko? Pag hinati mo yung kapatid mo kasi, kailangan mo ring hatiin yung sarili mo kasi kapatid ka rin niya. So, kung hahatiin nyo yung isa't isa, mag-share na lang kayo ng part ng isa't isa sa isa't isa, okay? Wait, hole? What hole? Hole, W-H-O-L-E. Yeah. Ang cute nito story na to. Nakakatuwa. Hole ha. Iba na sa isip ko. Oo. Bakit siya? Di niya shinare feelings niya. Ganito kasi yun. Kailangan mo isipin kung karapat-dapat ka bang bahaginan. Kung kapatid ka niya, isi-share niya. Oh, no, joke lang. Oo. Bad joke. Bad joke. Eggs. Anong eggs? Eggs na naman Ayan. Ano na sa isip niyo, kapatid? Ate, may karapatan pa ba ako? May karapatan ba ako? Sa feelings niya? May karapatan ka ba? May karapatan ka ba? Simula nang maging magkaibigan kayo. Sinong inuuna mo? Hindi ba sarili mo? May karapatan ka ba? Itatanong mo yan sa akin. Sa aking nakatingin lang sa inyong dalawa. Kinikim-kim ang kanyang sariling nararamdaman. Pero, meron ba? Wait lang, tuloy. Gusto ko tuloy magbasa ng spoken word poetry. Wait lang. I'll get my book. Ate, paano kapag magkapatid turingan pero may nabubuo na rin akong feeling sa kanya? Dear Ate Marahaya. Nako, ano yan? Slowborn, childhood friends, tag, we die like Wei Wuxian, Marco. I-post mo na yan sa AO3. Kailangan namin mabasa yung fanfiction niyan. Wait lang. Itong babasahin natin. Ano yung babasahin natin? Ito. Isang letra.
Eggs!
Isang letra. Mula sa aklat na habang wala pa sila, mga tula ng pag-ibig ni Juan Miguel Severo. Hindi pa. Nakakatuwang dalawang salitang yun. Hindi pa. Parang ang gandang pakinggan sa umpisa. Parang laging may paanyaya ng simula. Kumain ka na ba? Hindi pa. Napanood mo na ba tong pelikula? Hindi pa. Natikman mo na ba to? Hindi pa. Natikman mo na ba ako? Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Parang laging may kasunod na, pero gusto ko sana. Parang magsisimula ng maraming oo, tama. Magsisimula. May pangako sa isang simula. Kaya siguro magandang pakinggan sa una dahil sa pinapangakong simula pero hindi pa. Sandali. Wag muna. Mahal ko na ba? Hindi pa. Sandali, wag muna. Mahal ko na ba? Wag muna. Tapos na ba? Wag muna. Wag sana. Hindi pa. Nagustuhan ko tong dalawang salita dahil sa ibang pagkakataon para bang may pangako na balang araw magiging hindi na. Umaasa ka pa ba? Hindi na. Naghihintay ka pa ba? Hindi na. Masakit pa ba? Hindi na. Mahal mo pa ba siya? Hindi na. Tama, wakas. Hudyat ng isang wakas. Kaya siguro magandang pakinggan hanggang sa ngayon dahil sa hinuhudyat nitong pagwawakas. Hindi ba? Umaasa ka pa ba? Hindi na. Naghihintay ka pa ba? Hindi na. Masakit pa ba? Hindi na. Mahal mo pa ba siya? Hindi na. Mahal mo pa ba siya? Hindi na. Mahal mo pa ba siya? Hindi na. Mahal ka pa ba niya? Hindi na. Nakalimutan mo na ba siya? Hindi pa. Tangina. Nagsimula pero hindi tayo matapos-tapos sa hindi pa at hindi na. Tangina. Isang letra lang ang pinagkaiba. Wala pang isang segundo ang kailangan para isulat. Isang pindot lang sa keyboard at tangina, ang tagal na. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi pa. Pag tinakpan mo nga ang ilalim ng letrang P, magmumukhang hindi na, pero hindi pa. Kung ano-ano na ang pinangtakip ko, pero ganun pa rin siya. Kung ano-ano na ang pinambura ko, pero hanggang ngayon nasa simula pa. Kung sino-sino na ang nilapitan ko, pero nasa'yo pa rin ang mga paa ko. Nasa'yo pa rin ako. Sabihin mo nga, gaano karaming salita pa ang kailangan kong isulat para mapalitan ang isang letra. At yan, ang isang letra mula sa aklat na habang wala pa sila, mga tula ng pag-ibig ni Juan Miguel Severo. Wow! One letter. Habang wala pa sila, nagugutom na kami. Ate, iba yun. Ano daw? Kagutom edible ba yan? Parang di kasama yun. Kasama yon yung ano, natikman mo na ba ako kasama yun? Nalito ako. Kala ko, tula-tula nga to. Opo, umaasa pa. Tula ba to? Spoken word poetry to. Ate, mahal ko pa siya. Ni ano to? Ni Juan Miguel Severo. Oo, namahal ko pa. Kaso iba na mahal niya. Oh, no! Napaamin siya. Bakit di ka love ng love mo? Kasi hindi ka naglalagablab. Wait lang, meron pa akong babasahin dito. Ano naman siya? Eto. Saan na yun? Hanapin natin. Control H. Nasaan ba yung history nito? Hanapin natin. Wait lang. Nahanap ko yung ano. Nasaan na yun? Malamaya. Yun, Malamaya. Dang, I really missed your voice. May iba na siya. Wala pong alab. Wala nag-alab. Ito, babasahin ko. Galing siya kay Malamaya. Bago ko siyang discovery na bago ko siyang na-discover na poet. Sobrang ganda ng mga sinusulat niya. Wait lang, hanapin natin. Ano bang maganda? La. Wait lang, guys. I'm looking for... Ito. Malamaya. Isa siyang UP student, I guess. Kasi yung tula niya. Ito, ang ganda kasi. Ang gandang tulan to.
Single bell, single all the way.
Eggs. Okay, basahin natin. Walang bawal sa UP ni Malamaya Sidel Santos. Pa-screenshot ng box. This one. Whoops. Yan. Habang wala pa sila. Wait lang. Yan. Laro ka ito. Hindi ako maglalaro ngayon. Babasa ako ng story. Ay, ng tula. Last tula ko to before I end stream. Umiyak kayong lahat. Joke lang. Hindi naman to nakakaiyak na tula. It's pretty chill. Okay, done. Okay. Sino magmamay nito? Joke lang. Tapos na mag-SS. Okay. Walang bawal sa UP ni Malamaya Sidel Santos. Walang bawal sa UP. Pwede kahit anong kulay ng buhok. Proof mo pa yung unang makakapansin kapag nagbago ka ng kulay ng buhok. Kanina lang, pumasok akong bago na naman ng kulay ng buhok ko. Sabi ng isa kong prof, wait, new hair? Pwede kahit anong isuot sa klase. Maninibago yung mga guard kapag sanay silang naka-crop top ka tapos pumasok kang naka-hoodie. Pwede kahit gaano kakapal yung makeup mo. Kung mas namomotivate kang mag-derive ng equations of motion na may matulis na eyeliner at red lipstick, bakit hindi? 'Di ba? Pwedeng pumasok kahit anong brand ng tsinelas o sapatos ang suot mo. Pwedeng naka-pajamas kung late kang nagising. Pwede ring naka-full outfit. Nakita ko na yung lahat. Pero, wala naman akong nakitang hindi mahusay. Pagod? Marami. Bagsak? Mas marami, pero mahusay. Iba naman ang bagsak sa hindi magaling. Hindi naman natatanggal ng kakayahang magpahayag ng sarili ang galing ng isang tao, lalo na ng mga nasa loob pa lang ng pamantasan. Hindi nasusukat ng uniforme, ng tabas ng buhok, ng damit na suot, ang kakayahang mag-isip, ang pagyakap sa sining, ang pinakamalaking pribilehiyong maibibigay natin sa mga nasa loob ng universidad. Napakabigat buhati ng 4 o higit pang taon. Hayaan natin silang bitbitin ito na suot ang kahit anong gusto nilang suotin, sa mga kulay na gusto nilang yakapin, malayang nakikipagsapalaran, malayang nakikibaka, malaya kahit may binubuhat. May bigat, pero malaya. Sulat ni Sidel Santos. Natutuwa ako. Biglang lumabas siya sa feed ko. Ang gaganda ng mga tula niya. So, sabi ko, I want to read these. Ang gaganda. To, last one. Sulat ni Sidel Santos. Ayoko kasing sabihin na mamahalin kita habang buhay. Gusto kong sabihin na araw-araw na mamahalin kita hanggang bukas. Hindi ikaw ang pinahaba kong sandali dahil ikaw ang mahal, dahil ikaw mahal. Ikaw ang paulit-ulit kong saglit. Okay! That's it. It was nice. So nice to read their works. May joke ako, bukas na pala. Okay. Ako po yung gumawa ng onigiri. Yes po, ako po gumawa ng onigiri before. Pamain po ng love. Di ko po makita yellow basket. Nako po, BLJC sold out na. I'm back, Ramoch. Mag-e-end stream na ako. Welcome back. Pero ayun. I will, no. Nagbasa na ako ng mga tula. O sige, last tula. Pero, hanap tayo. Sulat ni Sidel Santos. Hanap tayo ng mas mahaba-haba. Ito. Maikli lang to, pero, maikli lang talaga to, pero mukhang maganda. Ay, wait. Ano to? Okay.
May mga taong sulat ni Sidel Santos, Malamaya. May mga taong hindi magpapasalamat sa iyong pagdating. Hindi dahil sa may mali sa iyo o may kulang, kung hindi dahil sadyang ipinanganak kang hindi para sa kanila. Ang malakas na ulan ay para lamang sa mga lugar na nakararanas ng tagtuyot. Hindi ito kailangan sa mga lugar na nilindol o sa mga lugar na binagyo ng sunod-sunod. Ikaw ang malakas na ulan, ikaw ang paghilom ng ilan at ang delubyo ng karamihan, hindi ikaw ang buong daigdig. Panahon. Mula sa ika-4 na libro, Gawing Bilog ang Tatsulok, sulat ni Sidel Santos.
Oh my gosh, ang ganda! Favorite ko rin to. Wait lang, isi-save ko nga to. Na-save ko na ba to? Save post. Ang ganda. I love it. Okay. We're done with this. We will now define single. Dakilang taga-advise sa mga kaibigang may love life eggs. Totoo. Oh my gosh. I feel that. Yay! Thank you so much, guys! At evil ikaw. Ala, kawawa naman. Ay, wow. Kawawa naman si Evil, pinagkaisa niyo. Magbibigay na yan ng advice maya-maya. Okay. Yay! We will end stream right now na. Popcorn na. Kalma lang kayo. Yay! Bye-bye, everyone! Thank you all for tuning in and thank you all for making it this for me pag-ending stream na. Me, I'm ending stream na. Late na naman. Thank you all for tuning in. Iba na naman gagawin mo. Hindi, I'm gonna end stream na, guys. Tapos na ako. O sige, isang tula. Siyempre, last na talagang tula. Masyado ako mabait. Wait lang. Hanap tayo ng maganda. Mahaba-haba. Ay, ito. Read mine. May tula ka? Napa-out early kahapon, tapos ngayon late.
Anong may tula ka, Mr. Fahrenheit?
Take out muna ako, tapos balik para extend. Hoy! Hindi! Gusto ko lang rin talaga kasi magbasa ng ng tula. Naka-post. Wait, sige. Wait lang. Sa mo? Sa TikTok mo? Wait lang. Hanapin natin. Gusto ko magbasa ng tula. Ayan na. Opening. Saan? Ay, yung 118 view. The corner seat. Okay, basahin natin. Ito ba yun? Okay, let's read it. Pause. Okay, let's read it.
The corner seat.
Wait lang, I'll read the Ahem.
She came with mornings, soft and slow, a book in hand, a heart.
Wait, again.
The Corner Seat by Mr. Fahrenheit. She came with mornings, soft and slow, a book in hand, a heart aglow. The corner seat beside the glass where golden sunlight used to pass. Each sip she took a quiet song of comfort found where hearts belong. The staff would smile, they knew her face, a little light within the place. But one cool day in early fall, a stranger came, tall, quiet, small. He found a seat beside the glass, unknowing of the weight it had. She paused, a blink, her rhythm stalled, her favorite place now gently walled. He glanced her way, unsure, polite. She gave a smile, not yet too bright. He came again the very next day, same seat, same mug, same quiet stay. She sat nearby, just one chair down, a little closer every round. Days turned to weeks and words grew bold. Do you like the coffee hot or cold? A chuckle shared, a glance held long, a brewing warmth where both belong. Oops. She learned he liked the rain and jazz. He learned her past in bits that passed. They traded stories, sips, and time. Two hearts in step just out of rhyme. And still, he sat beside the glass, but made some space for her to pass. Your spot, he said. I'll move. It's fair. She shook her head. Stay. I like it there. Now 2 cups steam, not one alone. The corner seat, a place they've grown. No grand confessions, just a start. A slow burn roast, a tender heart.
What the heck? That was good! Clap! Let's clap! That was our first, poem by our, that was The Corner Seat by Mr. Fahrenheit. Great job! Wala na, late na ako. Hello, story time. Nung huling live nakita kita nagawa ka ng rice bowl, ngayon nagtutula. I'ma send you my phone. Sana feature next live. O sige! Sino pa? Nasaan pa yung mga poems nyo? I want to read. Ba't para nanginginig boses ni Lola? Nakakayak, wala akong naintindihan gawa ng mat ko. Si Michi yan, yung Marhayas Eggs. Pinalitan niya yung pangalan niya. So, yung eggs ni Marhaya. Wala na, late na ako. Okay, we will read the, di ba nag-send daw si Michi. Ay, si Michi, si Meep? Wala na, hindi na buwara ko. Meep, nag-send ka ba? Nasaan yung mo? Nasaan na yung yung poem mo, Meep? Let's read it. Bigyan ng pintura, lapis, at crayons. Talo na lang ako sa kama ko. Well, okay. Later, hiya ako. Later, babasahin ko na ngayon. Wait, ito na lang. Babasahin ko yung poem naman nung aking eggs. Okay. Poem to ng kuya ko. Wait lang. Basahin natin. Masakit to guys. Mag-ano kayo? Pasintabi. Pasintabi. Okay. Ang theme nito, natagpuan ang nawawala. By Mark.
Tuwing gumigising sa umaga, hirap idilat ang mata, hindi makapaniwala ito'y realidad ba talaga? Kaya pipikit na lang ulit, baka paggising iba na, ngunit takot na rin matulog kasi hanggang doon, may iba ka. May nagawa ba akong mali o yan ay pansariling kagustuhan? Baka maling binigay ko sa'yo lahat at umabot na ako sa sukundulan. Sabi mo noon masaya tayo, ba't pinaramdam mo sa akin na may kulang? Yung dating masayang bahay natin nagmistulang bilangguan. Kasi ako'y nakakulong, nakagapos, tipikal na bilanggo. Gusto mo bilugin ulo ko parang literal na kinalbo. Lagi kong tanong sa aking isip, bakit mo ko ginanito? Isa lang ba talaga o 46 yung totoong bilang mo? Kahit ipilit ko nang ipilit, wala na akong mapapala. Kailangan ko naman protektahan puso kong namamaga. Naibigay ko na lahat, wala na akong magagawa. Sana tulad ko matagpuan mo din yung hinahanap mong nawawala.
There. Ayan. Ayan. At yan ang natagpuan ng nawawala. By Mark. Yeah. Pwede din ba mag-send ng reply niya sa love letter ko? Masakit nga lang. Gusto niyo? You want me to read it on stream? I can read it. I like reading. Ouch. Egg enjoyers. Ay, wala pa pala. May tissue na ako. O, kumusta naman ang mga naramdaman niyo? Wait, parang may naalala kong lyrics dyan. Napakaangas. Sa sobrang bilis na late ako. Dati single ka, ngayon single ka pa rin. Wait. Ayan. Ayan. Sige. Send lang kayo. Ano ba? Gusto nyo ba tawag doon next live na? I can read kapag may mga I'll read yung mga sinend nyo. Sana feature next live. Syempre, babasahin ko yan. Ano ginawa mo kanina? Ito. Nag-crochet. Hello, animated entity. You have beautiful features. Thank you, Primark. You also have a beautiful words. Next, I'll try to make more. Yay! Nabasa ko nga yung caption dun sa sa poem. It's 100 poems! Wow! Isang dang tula para kay Mariah. Such fine words. Uy, grabe. We have lots of creatives here. Kung meron kayong gustong ipabasa, tawag doon, nyo, send nyo. Tapos, I can read it on stream. Kasi I want to read. I love reading. Medyo kasi ako. I used to like writing. I write a lot. But then, ayun nga, life happened and hirap na ako magsulat. So, may Pilipino naman pala si Ining, nag-English ba ako? Real BL. Yan. So, ayan. Artistic sa subs ni Lola. Buti na ako, ha? Yan. We will make, Eggnogs reading day. Kaya ngayon, na lang ako, nagbabasa na lang rin ako ng gawa ng iba kasi hirap na ako magsulat ng sarili kong mga gawa. Gusto mo something BL? Oh, bala kayo! Still no Highlander dyan. Di ko pa nakikita. Just kung ano lang gusto nyong isulat. Basta tawag doon. Just write for yourselves. Ako, I will just read it. I'll just be happy to read it on stream. Kasi, I like appreciating art. Hehehehe. Eggnog's Diary. A poem compilation. Eggs! Okay. So, that's it. That's it, Pansit. Who knows the Brotherly Brothers? You mean these Brotherly Brothers? Classmates assignment natin. Aba! May mga assignment kayo? Meron pala akong tula about dun sa natagpuang pero 2 stanza lang siya. Natagpuan ang nawawala. Ito, basahin ko. Ito na last na talaga to. Tapos mag-e-end live na. Last na talaga tong babasahin ko. 2 stanza lang to, by the way.
Sa oras ng aking pag-iisa, tila anino ang mga tula ng isang taong pagsilay ng gabi ay animoy nakatalukbong, nakaluhod at nakakulong sa ilalim ng isang kumot, ligtas sa mga humihikbing tinig na umaaligid na minsan ay muntik makabasag ng kanyang mundong taimtim. Sa paglipas ng panahon, ang mga tulang ito'y umuusbong, bumabalik ng paunti-unti at palinggit-linggit. At sa pagsapit ng bukhang liwayway ay tila nang nakasisilaw ang dating aninong sa taong ito'y mistula ng nakaraan.
Extend!
Yan. Nabasa ko na pala to on stream dati. Nabasa ko na pala yun. Pero ang team no, natagpuan ng nawawala. Kasi, kasi kami, nagtatry kami na magsulat uli. Ay, kaming 2. Magsulat. Para ma-practice ko ulit yung pagsusulat ko. Kaso hindi na natuloy. Excellent. Grabe naman ang inyong mga egg puns. Mga egg enjoyers talaga. I'm excited to read your works sometime. Exactly. Okay. Yeah. So, ayun na. We will now end live na talaga. Since, tingnan mo, wala nang talagang wala nang late na pumasok sa classroom. Hindi ko kayo ima-mark as absent. May kararating ko lang. Eggs live na. Asa siya? Ate Pam.
Anong Paimon? Akala mo ba, hindi ako si Paimon kahit nagtatagalog ako?
Wait lang po at muna ako. Babalik ako. Yeah! Yay! We will now end live. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And it was really nice hanging out with you all and reading your works. Great job! Galing, galing. So, yeah. I will now end stream. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye-bye!
Hindi ako si Paimon. Adios.
Bye-bye!